Faye Babes. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is January 14th, Saturday. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good weekend thus far. Getting ready for that 3-day weekend. If this is your first time joining, my name is Faye. I'm so glad to have you, and I would love if you become part of the Faye Babe family. All it takes is hitting that subscribe button down there and also clicking on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm so glad to see you back. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Not too much going on today. Pretty much cleaning and dusting and all that good stuff here. I've been trying to get my perfumes organized, separating them from the summer and spring fragrances to the fall and winter fragrances. So I'll give you guys a sneak peek of that. But yeah, not doing too much. I'll probably be in the kitchen later on getting supper prepared, so you know I always bring you guys along for that. And if I should happen to step out and get into anything, I'll make sure I bring you guys along. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will bring you back up in a little bit. Peace and blessings. So yeah guys, these are my fragrances that I've been, like I said, organizing and getting cleaned off. The top shelf is summer and spring fragrances. The bottom shelf is also summer and spring fragrances. And the middle shelf, that's fall and winter. But yeah, not doing too much. You're just trying to get things in order. Yeah, but and guys, I finally lit this Baccarat dupe candle, and oh my goodness, it has my whole room office here just lit up, smelling so good. So yeah, I will bring you guys back in a little bit, and I'm gonna keep on working and trying to get things organized in here. So yeah.
Set my scale, yeah. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. And I sit on top of you. I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceship time. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See far. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you meet God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. So we gon' fuck up tonight. What's in these four walls? Sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you hear a voice? Show up, show up, show up, show up. Go up, go up, go up. You Mr. Nasty, I clean it up. But where nobody's been. But where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? We gon' fuck up the night. Get up, black lights, spaceship time. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Get up tonight. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See far. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you meet God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up tonight. Sexy, broad hypnotic on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them hydraulics while I ride it. Got me acting hella thotty. So excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Tease it, no self-control. I got time today. Got time today. I got time. Oh, I got time today.
Okay, y'all, welcome back. I'm actually in the kitchen now, trying to get stuff prepared to start supper, and I'm gonna have you guys cook along with me. So let's get it. Let's go. This is what I decided on eating today. Simple, quick, and that's what it is. So let's get preparing.
I don't wanna wait. I
back. Just want to pop in and let you guys know we finished eating supper. It's actually been a few hours, and not doing too much. Just gonna probably watch some TV shows and catch up on some vlogs and chill for the rest of the night. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And then we will see you in the next vlog. Until then, as always, peace and blessings.